Hi, this is Mike Dorsch. I'm going to conduct some power pellet performance demonstrations for you this morning. Give you an example here of how effective this material is. Now this is some sludge sent to me from a customer. It contains 45% moisture, we determined, and we're going to solidify this using about 7.5% or 1.5 ounces to 20 ounces of this sludge. Now, of course, the power pellets will be added, blended, and then let stand. So, having done that, we'll let that stand for a few minutes and give you an idea of how the power pellets, why they do what they do. Power pellets contain a small percentage of a very selected style of super absorbent polymer, which we acquire and have manufactured specifically for this performance. And you'll see how the super absorbent polymer performs on aqueous solutions. This is water, tap water. And you'll see in just a few minutes, it'll convert this water to a non-liquid very quickly. In doing so, you won't be able to squeeze any moisture out of this. The benefits of the SAP, the polymer. And by incorporating this to a ag pellet, in this case it's wood pellets, and by embedding this polymer to the wood fiber, it actually slows the polymer down so that, you know, if this were to be dry blended with any kind of ag fibers, the polymer performs very quickly. Your ag fibers are suspended. In this material, you really don't get any benefit from that. So we have a patented process for manufacturing the power pellet material the way that it is. And then, of course, after the pellets are produced, we crumble the pellets to increase the surface area and help speed the performance up somewhat. So our basic power pellet demonstration is, our claim is we'll be able to absorb and retain 5 times its weight in water-based liquid. 5 ounces of water here, 1 ounce power pellets. Let this go for a few minutes and we'll show you what the result is here shortly, but it's going to perform very quickly. In the meantime, this looks like this is stiffening up nicely. Let me give this another stir. Very tight, actually. It looks like a lot of these pellet particles haven't quite been exposed or opened up yet. In fact, this is for all practical purposes done. Let me dump this out here and show you how tight this got. In a few minutes. And again, this is using 7.5% by weight of power pellets to manage this sludge. It was 45% moisture. Easily loadable without squeezing any water out of it, and will pass paint filter test at a landfill, no problem. And again, we utilize ag fibers to act as a densifier rather than using a straight polymer. If you take this to a landfill, nobody's going to be very happy with you. And besides, it's going to be very expensive. Getting back to this material, here's one that I did at 5%, which was just 1 ounce. That is tight. So look at that, 5% by weight power pellets to manage this 45% moisture sludge. Look at that. By using this material, you're going to reduce your cycle cost of mixing and handling and hauling and disposal by, 65% more than likely. And if you were to use high calcium lime or Portland cement, you're adding 75 to 100% weight, sometimes more, to your haul off and disposal costs. So, why do it? when you can do it for 5 to 7%. Checking back with the Power Pellets to solidify straight water at 1 to 5 times. Look at this. There's no moisture in this cup. This stuff is pretty tight, and you can't squeeze anything out of this. So even on straight liquid, you're looking at 20% or less. Will do the job. Oops. And there you have it, folks. If you would like your sludge tested for you for moisture and what kind of a ratio or percentage of Power Pellets you will need to manage it properly, feel free to send it to me. I can be reached at 724-316-8780. You're also welcome to contact me if you'd like to collect some samples of Power Pellets and conduct your own bench testing. Thank you.